All right, everyone, before you start creating your parts, your isometric parts in Onshape, I want you to create a folder first because this makes it a lot more easier to share stuff with me. As you can see, I got all these folders here are shared with me already, and it just keeps you a little bit more organized as well. So to create a new folder, what you need to do is go over here to Create, and then click on Folder. And then all you got to do is name this folder whatever you want to. Just call it ISO Practice. You can name it whatever you want as long as you know what it is and hit Create. All right, so a folder is now successfully created, and right here is where it is for me. So I click on it. I don't have anything in there right now, but once I do, you'll be able to share this folder, and you'll be able to share that with me. So that way, like I said, it makes it a lot easier for me to look at the parts that you make, and it makes it easier to makes you more organized. So that is a good way to start. Again, I want you to do that first before you start making all your parts, because when you make your parts, you just put them all in this folder.